Welcome back to Retire Too Soon, and today we're replacing the interior lights on a 2000 Ram Cummins. So on the interior of the Ram, you see I have one of them out, and you have the center one. I need to get one more bulb because I only purchased two. I purchased these at Napa. Here's the part numbers. So on replacing them, you take a small screwdriver right about here and just pull it down and it'll come right out. Once you get the side out, it should just come right off. Bulb right there, and then you pull it straight out. This is what it looks like when you install it. I have my door open, so lights are on. This is the switch right here, turn on and off. And then reverse, just push in the back here first and then just push it up to reinstall. And here's a comparison. I don't know how long the LED is gonna last, hopefully a while, but I guess we're gonna test it out. But definitely looks a lot better, and hopefully it's bright. Here in Alaska, we're still in summertime, so we have daylight. I think we're like 20 hours right now, so I might be able to come out here at like 1 in the morning to get you guys a night shot. All right, so on the center one, same thing. Take your screwdriver and just pull it down and it'll come right off. All right, you pull it down, there's a little plastic part right there. You get time to clean that out. And then you just pull the bulb out. I need to let it cool down a little bit because I have the door open, so it's pretty hot right now. All right, install the new bulb and then just push it up. Pretty big difference. This is the same bulb that's in the front one. All right, so I need to go to Napa and get one more, and I'll show you the final results. All right, well, it's 10 o'clock at night here in Alaska, so not too dark. So I got all three of them installed. They look great. It looks like they're putting off good light. A lot better than the old yellow ones that were in here. I guess we'll find out this winter how good they are, but I'm pretty happy with them. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Please like the video if this was helpful. Go ahead and watch some of my previous videos. I just did the heater core and replaced the serpentine belt. So I said, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Till the next video. Bye.